I'm Anil Kumar, and here are a few application questions for the beginners. We are actually working on problems which could be solved using trigonometric primary ratios, and in each question you'll find a right triangle. Now, let us read this question. It says, an observer standing 25 meters from the base of the tree notes that the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 55 degrees. If the observer's eye level is 1.8 meters from the ground, calculate the height of the tree, correct to one decimal place. Now I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question. That is, first you need to sketch the scenario and then answer the question. And then you can check with my solution. So let's say this is the ground, and let's say this is our tree, right? So let's say this is the tree. Okay, so let's say that's the tree. Now the question is, let's read it once again. An observer standing 25 meters from the base of the tree. So somewhere here, let's say 25 meters, this is, okay. Notes that the angle of elevation to top of the tree is 55 degrees. If the observer's eye level is 1.8 meters from the ground, that is key. So that means observer is standing here, right? And this is 1.8 meters above the ground. Calculate the height of the tree. Now you understand. So really speaking, understand the situation. So the height of the observer's eye level is 1.8. So this is 1.8, and from here the angle of elevation is 55 degrees. So when I connect this point here, then what I get here is the angle of elevation, which is 55 degrees. And we need to find height of the tree. So let us say this is x, right? So that is the height above 1.8. We have to add 1.8 to x to find the total height. I hope you appreciate that part. Now this is a key to understand in this question, okay? So now we are moving into slightly more difficult questions. I hope you understand and appreciate it. Now let's go back to this. Since the observer is 25 meters from the tree, so the base is 25. So this side is also equal to that side. So this is also 25. Now looking into the triangle, let's say this point is let's say top, T-O-P, right? Okay. Let's say ground. Okay. In that case, we can find TP from tan theta. Why? Because opposite side and adjacent sides are involved when we refer to 55, correct? So it is tan of 55 which we are going to use, since we know, or we want to know, opposite side, which is x for us, divided by adjacent side, which is known as 25, correct? From here we can find what x is. X is 25 times tan of 55 degrees. Is that part clear to you? Why did we use tan? We use tan since in this particular triangle we know the angle, and that side is opposite side. Do you see that? And this is adjacent side. Tan is opposite over adjacent. That is why. Okay. Let us now use calculator, find the value of x. So x is 25 times tan of 55, which is equal to 35.70. So 35.70. Now what is the height of the tree? H. So we say height of the tree is x plus 1.8, is x plus 1.8. So that is 35.7 plus 1.8, right? So we can add 1.8 to our answer. Say plus 1.8 equals to 37.5. 37.5. So that is correct to one decimal place. So that is correct to one decimal place. So we have our answer, that is height of the tree is 37.5, and the units are meters, correct? So that is how you should be solving this question. It's critical to understand that we need to include height 1.8 in our solution. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.